Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to prank someone who wants tea. First, you get a cup of water, and then you get some Coca-Cola, and okay, then all you gotta do is just pour it right in. Hold on, let me get the camera set up a certain way. This is my cup of water. Just set the cup right here, and I'm just gonna pour it right in. I figure out if I can just get the camera to stay up a little bit to view the cup more. Still good. I'll just take it. And then it looks like, well, in real life it looks more like tea. I put a little too much Coke in there. A little too much Coke. And see how, I don't know, how does it taste? There's like watery Coke that's more. If they want coffee, then just mix water with Coke. And then all you gotta do is warm it up. So all you gotta do is warm it up. Make sure it doesn't hit the cup. Just warm it up. Close it. I don't actually know if this is gonna work. I'm just showing you. This is just an example. I'm just gotta. Okay, that is. And you just. Right now. It's hot. Sorry if I'm one on the. And just give it to whoever wanted the coffee or tea. Just put a little Coke in the tea. And coffee, just put. Or you could just put Coke if they allergic Coke or whatever. Anything. Yeah, bye. Well, not bye, but hold on. That is coffee, and there you go. This again. I don't know. For example, just use this. Example to use this. You could just use that thing to make it look like coffee or tea or whatever, and yes, you're done. That is a way to prank.